What's up, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. If you're like me, the only shot you care about is the one you take of yourself. So, to make sure those shots are always looking good, that's why I picked up this Meifigno SGO4 selfie ring light. Now, they put a lady on here, kind of an anime lady, because I guess they think that women are really vain and just care about their looks. But, well, hate to tell you, I do too. Oh, because I can look at myself and it's just, I'm amazed every time. You know what inspires this guy? This guy right there. So here we have a clip-on ring light. It is meant for selfies, but it doesn't have to be exclusively for that. You could actually clip it onto your camera and have more light produced to basically, you know, replace a separate light, an umbrella light or something like that, especially traveling. Now, you can see here, it's like a big clip. It's really light. It's all plastic. Obviously, a micro USB charge in there, port right there. I'm assuming this is the power button. Boom, just like that. And looks like we have a few different levels. So one level just like that. And it's kind of diffused through this frosted lens there. And 2, 3, so it gets pretty bright. And because you can take your camera and clip it over like that, I could use it now while shooting, you know, film or shooting a video with my family or something like that. Or if I flip it like this and put it on the top, now you can see that that's actually where it's meant to go, kind of notch right in there, and then you have the camera with a ring light around it, which is one of those things that are kind of ubiquitous in the industry, those ring lights, and you can actually see those sometimes in people's pupils. So, does it work? Let's try it out. All right, so I went ahead and turned everything except the overhead light off here, but all my umbrella lights are off, and I just thought I'd play with this selfie ring light. So here's the low level, medium level, and high level, and you can actually see in my glasses there, you get that ring, and like I said, sometimes you can even look in people's pupils and see that too. So obviously it's helping. Let's try it in even darker light. All right, so now I only have some lights on, you know, 15, 20 feet away. You know, actually, I'm actually surprised that this shot is not completely unusable. It's actually not super bad, but it's a fairly low light level. So if I hit this, boom, look at that. And again, this is the forward-facing camera, so there's no ability to have a flash, you know, on my camera or my phone here. So second level and highest level. Boom, just like that, right? Pretty cool. I dig this thing. It actually works pretty well, and it's kind of like I'm looking at this thing and it's really bright. So it actually would do a couple things, in my opinion. If I were filming someone else, they would kind of be drawn into this light. So it's kind of going to center their eyes on the camera itself, and it's going to produce just a decent amount of light. So I'm really impressed with this thing. It's really inexpensive. It's under $8. You can carry this thing around, charge it with any micro USB cable, pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda. Out!